How to turn on dark mode in Bigo Live. Launch the Bigo Live. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap Settings gear icon. Look for dark mode. Tap it and toggle it on. If the option says grayed out, it means auto dark mode is managing it. Go back to settings of your phone and tap display and brightness and turn off any automatic or scheduled dark or light switches. Now open Bigo Live screen, profile, stream chat. It should now be in sleek dark tone, perfect for evening scroll and easy on the eyes. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more fast and fun app guides. Enjoy your Bigo Live dive.